Hey everyone, ready to explore some game-changing AI tools?
Mm.
Today we're diving into 5 Google AI tools specifically designed to tackle those all-too-familiar project management headaches.
The tight deadlines, juggling resources, keeping everyone on the same page.
Exactly, we're talking about AI that goes way beyond simple predictive text.
This is AI that really gets into the nitty-gritty of making your project life easier.
And it's becoming so integrated.
It's almost like this invisible assistant helping us work smarter, not harder.
Absolutely. A perfect place to start is with something we all experience, communication overload.
Right.
Some days my inbox feels like it's going to explode.
You're telling me. That constant influx of messages, it can really derail your focus.
Yeah, you end up just wasting time trying to stay afloat.
Totally.
But this is where Google Workspace AI comes in. Smart Compose and Smart Reply.
Just time savers.
You've probably seen Smart Compose.
Yeah, it's like having a mind-reading co-writer.
It's finishing your sentences in emails. Like, let's say you're responding to a request, and Smart Compose suggests, I'll get started on that right away.
Boom, saved you a bunch of keystrokes.
And keeps your tone consistent, too.
It's not just about saving time, is it? It's also about keeping your communication professional.
And efficient, especially when you're juggling multiple projects.
And stakeholders. Don't forget the stakeholders.
Right. Then there's Smart Reply.
Smart reply. Like a super fast assistant offering up pre-written responses.
A quick thanks, or let me check on that. Makes all the difference when you have a million emails.
Seriously, these little features can really add up. They help you maintain a sense of control over your inbox.
Crucial for any project manager.
Absolutely crucial.
Okay, so we tackle the email beast. But what about workflow bottlenecks?
Oh, those are the worst.
Waiting for approvals, chasing down documents, all that fun stuff.
The stuff that throws a wrench in your project timeline.
And leads to so much frustration.
Yeah.
So this is where Google Cloud Workflows steps in to automate those tedious, repetitive tasks. It's like, imagine you could clone yourself. And that clone could handle all the mundane admin work.
Leaving you free to focus on the bigger picture.
Exactly. It's about freeing up your mental bandwidth for strategic thinking.
Problem solving.
Right. So, for example, let's say you hit a major project milestone. Instead of manually assigning the next round of tasks, Google Cloud Workflows can automatically trigger those assignments.
Based on preset rules, no less.
Right. No more scrambling to keep everyone on track.
And it can also streamline approval processes. Instead of documents getting lost in someone's inbox, Google Cloud Workflows can automatically route them,
To the right people.
ensuring a smooth and efficient flow.
It's like having a super efficient virtual project coordinator. Just working behind the scenes, making sure everything moves along smoothly.
And because it's all automated, it significantly reduces the risk of errors.
Or oversights, which, let's be honest, happen all the time with manual processes.
All the time.
Okay, now let's shift gears to a challenge that's so familiar in today's global world.
Uh-oh. I think I know where this is going.
Scheduling nightmares.
The worst.
Trying to find a meeting time that works for everyone across different time zones.
It's like solving a ridiculously complex puzzle.
I remember one time we were trying to schedule a meeting with a team in Tokyo. It took ages to find a time that worked.
Oh, I feel that. The joys of global collaboration.
It took days of back and forth.
But luckily, we have AI tools to the rescue
Like Google Calendar's smart scheduling.
to help us navigate those time zone mazes.
It's like having a scheduling wizard. Smart scheduling looks at everyone's availability, considers those pesky time zones, and suggests meeting times that actually work.
For everyone.
And the beauty is, it eliminates that tedious back-and-forth email chain
Saves everyone so much time.
and reduces no-shows due to scheduling conflicts.
A lifesaver.
Okay, now let's move on to a challenge that can really make or break a project.
What's that?
Lack of visibility. When you don't have a clear picture of what's happening, it's easy to miss deadlines, go over budget.
And end up feeling like you're driving blind.
Exactly. And that's where Gemini, Google's AI-powered project management assistant, steps in.
It brings some much-needed light to the situation.
It really does.
Right.
What's impressive about Gemini is how it integrates with tools you're already using.
Like Google Sheets, right?
Yeah.
Providing real-time insights into your project's progress.
It's like having a constant stream of data feeding you the information you need. And Gemini can even suggest things like resource reallocation
or timeline adjustments.
based on how the project is progressing.
This is where data-driven decision-making really comes into play.
Instead of relying on gut feeling or outdated information, You're making choices based on real-time data.
And AI-powered analysis.
Now, I know not everyone loves crunching numbers, but in today's data-driven world, being able to analyze project data is crucial.
Oh, absolutely.
The problem is, wading through spreadsheets and making sense of all those numbers can be daunting.
Especially when you're already juggling a million other things.
A million other things.
Yeah.
It's a common pain point, even for project managers who are comfortable with spreadsheets.
Yeah, data analysis takes time and often requires specific expertise.
Right. But thankfully, Google Sheets has a secret weapon, the Explore feature.
It's like having an AI-powered data analyst right there in your spreadsheet.
It is. It's remarkable how it can take raw project data, like task completion rates or budget tracking, and automatically generate insights and trends.
And if you need to present your findings to stakeholders, Explore can effortlessly create visual reports.
And in charts that are easy to understand.
And look super professional.
Exactly. It's a fantastic way to democratize data analysis, making it accessible to anyone.
Regardless of their technical skills.
So there you have it. 5 Google AI tools that can truly level up your project management game. From conquering communication overload to simplifying data analysis, these tools are all about making your life easier.